Hello guys, I just made it to Bigfoot Hostel in León in Nicaragua, a new country for me. I'm really excited to be here. It was quite the journey to get here though, but I'm off to go volcano boarding with the hostel. I got here and they were having like such a fun day planned. It's like a very special edition volcano boarding because usually you could just go and it's fun, but this time it's like during sunset. They have a bonfire afterwards, dinner is included, drinks are included, all of this special stuff. So it should be really fun and I'm really excited to take you guys, although I am completely exhausted, so I don't know how much I'll vlog, but I hope to show you guys me not falling face down the mountain. It was $35 US to do the whole tour, and we're about to leave in like 5 minutes, so I better hurry. But it includes all like transportation, dinner tonight, the sunset, the boarding, the equipment you need, everything. Again, this is like a special edition one, so I think normally it's only like $20, but splash the cash. You just got here. It's gonna be really fun. This is Bigfoot, the hostel. I guess we get a free t-shirt with the tour as well. I picked this one. It's a tank top, which I don't love, but father free volcano boarding. Good morning guys from León. We're headed to the beach today, Las Penitas, I think it's called, but we're taking the chicken bus, which I'm so excited because I haven't taken the chicken bus yet. We went to the wrong bus terminal, so now we have to get a taxi, which was $1.50 or 50 corbata, all the way across town on the little like bicycle taxis. It was fun. So we made it to Las Penitas, and there's this hostel that you can stay at. I'll put the name right here. The weather is so hot. The chicken bus here was like teeming of bodies. It was awful. But we're just getting something to eat right now at Barca de Oro. The chicken bus only costs 15 corbata, which is like 30 cents, 35 cents. I don't know, really cheap. About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. We just came back to the hostel because it has a beachfront, and we're gonna chill out on the beach. There's also like surf lessons that you can take, or you can just rent a board for like, I think it's $6 for just a board, and then $10 for a lesson for one day, which is really good. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Basically, for the next few days I am staying with a local family.
cumpleaños feliz.